This is Adam Smith, the nationally licensed health insurance advisor. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to save money for businesses on their health insurance and how employees and employers can work together to save costs. You may not know, but for health plans through your employer, you can actually save money for the employee and the business owner at the same time. A lot of the times, these business plans are very costly for the business owner. And so it's very expensive for them to carry an employee, a spouse, and dependents on the same plan. And that's why usually they cover the employee really well, but they cover a spouse and dependents at a much different rate, just because the plans are so expensive. So a lot of times what we do is we help out the spouse or the spouse and dependents of the employee and put them on a separate plan, and that saves money both for the employee and the employer. So there are two options for business owners. One, you can do a group plan, and that goes through the public market. And with a group plan, that's where you have to have 70% of employees all on one plan, and everybody takes the same plan. Those are great, especially if you have employees with, the majority of them have major pre-existing conditions. Then those plans are a really good fit. However, they are very costly because you pay 100% of market price for every single employee and their spouse and dependents. These business plans are extremely important for business owners. And if you own your own business, it's worth taking a look at your options because this is likely one of your business biggest expenses. And this is where I come in. I can show you all the options in both markets, so then that way you're not just picking the first plan that comes up, but you're actually taking a look at all the options, educating yourself, and seeing which plans would be best for you and your employees. Often, business owners are on the same plan and they carry it for years, but the problem is then their rates go up over time. We've talked to a lot of businesses lately that their premiums have gone up 25, 35%, and it's just because they've been on that plan for a long time. So again, employers and employees can work together to both save money. And often the difference is they take a look at both markets. Sometimes for some employees, they want to put them on a public plan. For a lot of people, the private market is going to be a lot better. So by taking advantage of both these markets, we can save both the employee and the employer money. And sometimes it would make sense also to put the spouse and dependents of the employee on a separate plan because it relieves the burden that's on business owners and it saves the employee more money as well. Again, this is where I come in. I'm a nationally licensed health insurance advisor. I would love to answer any of your questions, show you all the options, and if you'd like to save money and get better coverage, it's probably worth 10 minutes of your time. This is Adam Smith, the nationally licensed health insurance advisor.